How can you write the answer for the question? Question. Implement a C program to perform matrix addition using two-dimensional arrays and demonstrate the correct use of nested loops for element-wise addition. Answer. Two-dimensional array in C is a data structure that stores elements in a tabular format organized into rows and columns. Each element is accessed using two indices, one for the row and one for the column. It is essentially an array of arrays. The declaration syntax is data type array name opening bracket rows closing bracket opening bracket columns closing bracket, where data type specifies the type of elements, array name is the array's name, and rows and columns define its size. For example, int matrix of 3, 4 declares a 2D array with 3 rows and 4 columns. To access each element in a two-dimensional array in C, you use two indices. The first index specifies the row, and the second index specifies the column. You can iterate through the array using nested loops, where the outer loop traverses the rows and the inner loop traverses the columns.
Code explanation, input dimensions. The program prompts the user to input the number of rows and columns for two matrices, matrix 1 and matrix 2. Validation. It checks whether the number of columns in matrix 1 matches the number of rows in matrix 2. If not, multiplication is not possible and the program exits. Matrix input. The user enters the elements of both matrices. Matrix 1 is stored in mat1 and matrix 2 is stored in mat2. Initialize result matrix. A result matrix is initialized with zeros to store the results of the multiplication. Matrix multiplication logic. A nested loop iterates over the rows of matrix 1, I, the columns of matrix 2, j, and the shared dimension, k, for multiplication. Each element in the result matrix is calculated as the sum of the products of corresponding elements from matrix 1 and matrix 2. Output the result, the resultant. Matrix is printed row by row. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.